Good afternoon, traders, and welcome to another edition of Awesomecallstrading.com. I am okay, slow it down. I had too much coffee. Live recap webinar. I'm AJ. I am one of the mods in this great room. Um, this was a great day to trade today. Great day to trade today. Nice overnights, nice gap up. The beauty of this is that we determined that the way when the market was up 800 points, I told everyone the stock market will probably fluctuate red and then probably even we probably have a nice sell-off today. And I do think that the market's you're gonna see a lot of these stocks even lower in the next coming days. I really do. I think investors are at a pause right now. There will be a bottom. There will be a bottom, but when it comes, you will see the market will just surge, and it's going to be you don't even want to know. You don't even want to know. If you're not in this room when it happens, you're going to be watching tweets go off like left and right. I mean, I just made 8 grand. I made 11 grand. I made 12 grand. I made 17 grand. I just bought calls. Oh my good. Because when it comes, I'm going to call it out and I'm going to go, we're bottom. I don't care what it does from here. This is bottom. Go long. Start buying the calls. This is going to be my gift to everyone in Awesome Calls Trading because I got a sense pretty much where these stocks are going to pretty much end up and where the bottom's going to come in, and I'm gonna be there, you know. But I love the mood swings the market's been giving us. It's been so amazing to be in this room and just to trade this market this last week. And let me tell you something: if you're an Awesome Calls Trading member and you survived this week, the last 5 days of trading, last 7 days, you, my friend, are going to become a trader that you want to be because very few people. Imagine somebody new getting in the market and all of a sudden the market plunges 1,000. 99.9%, if they're not in this room, they will run. They'll go, it's not for me. They'll just give up in 2 seconds. It's not for me. Right? But if you are in a room where the gentleman has gone through it, who understands it, who can trade you through it, now you're talking. Now you're talking. I would die to be in a room like that. Fortunately, there's no other rooms out there that do what we do. Nobody does what they can copy. They kind of come close. As far as the copy way, well, we do notes in the morning. These are our pre-qual ideas. Yeah. But when it comes to actual trading, real day trading, in front of your face, here's what I'm doing. Here's my notes. I'm taking this call. I'm up $1,000. Watch me run. Okay? This is what makes it all enjoyable. And the market's crashing behind you like 800 points. And so um, it was a wonderful day. So today we traded Yaten. This was to me a short. Too many things in the headline that told me to dump the stock. I valued the stock at 5.25. Stock hit $5.15. Navac, another great play here. This one ran in Becky Quick of CNBC made a nice announcement that Bill Gates had donated like 4 million, I think it was, or 10 million to Navac for a grant, and Bill Gates Foundation is obviously a very reputable foundation. I may stop in the middle of this webinar just to make a trade. So if I see the market surging back up, I will stop. Um, so I called that one to go down to 11 and under. The stock hit $10.35. This was a really great play. It was all set up. Bam, I nailed it. These are written down pre-market notes well before the market even opens, and then I go over each of the ideas before it opens. We spend about 5 to 10 minutes, and then I start telling, this stock's going to do this. This stock's going to do this. Dick's Sporting Goods to me was a short at 39. Excuse it, broke 39 and under. I felt the stock would come down to 35. Dick's Sporting Goods hit actually $33.50. Stitch, I felt was a long at the 14 area. I thought the stock would go to 16.50 to 17.50. Stitch went to $16.20. Zoom, very good play here. This was gapping down 5, gapping up 5. I wanted to short that and gap fill it back to 112, even though the sell was 113.75 on yesterday's close. I felt the stock would actually go below that. I was 100% correct. The stock actually went to $105. So if you had shorted when I asked you to short it at the open at 118, 117, you would have banked, I think that would have been 13 points. Splunk, to me, was also a short. I wanted to gap fill it to 130 and under, and Splunk hit 127. Facebook was a real beautiful play. However, it was gapping up a little too much. I wanted Facebook to gap fill back to 170 and bottom curl. Facebook, when you go look at the chart, hit 169.50, bottom curled, and long back up to highs. Stock is now currently 177, which I said that the stock would come back to 177. If it gap filled to 170, the stock would come back to 177. Look at Facebook right now, sitting at 177. TDD. This one was going to be a short. I'd like to see a small push at the open, scalp short it, take it down to 220 and under. It was gapping up 14. The stock actually ended up at $211 a share. She could have made about 25 points on that one. Shopify, one of our favorite plays to do in the room. I love this stock. I got to watch the bid and the ask because those market makers like to jab you. But I'm happy to say I am green on Shopify. On Shopify, this one I felt the stock would come down to $425 from $450, and I felt that $425 would be a bottom curl. And if you don't believe me, well, look at the call and look at the shop. Look what Shopify did. Isn't that gorgeous? $425 right there. Bam! Right back up. 25 down, 25 up. 50-point play. I mean, this is another stock that I gave 3 days ago. It was called Psy, and this one was gapping down because of they had some issues that needed to be resolved. To me, it was a buying opportunity. I felt the stock would get bought back up, and sure, I said to buy it at 15. It's a buying opportunity, and the stock will get back up to, I believe, $22, $23 a share. And it took 1, 2, 3 days. And that hit $22.50. Some people made some ridiculous money on that call. Tesla, you gotta love it, gotta play it, gotta know it. This one I wanted a sell off to 625. Keep in mind the stock was gapping up at 670. So I wanted if it didn't break 675, I wanted a short and I wanted to take it to 625. And the great Tesla came down to 608. Boeing, I felt would bottom out around 230 today. Boeing decided to go a little bit more, hit 215, but we were shorting the stock on the gap up at 237 to 240-ish, and we took it all the way down to 215. They are buying that up there, right there. At NVIDIA, I felt that NVIDIA would be at 250 and under. The stock was already gapping up 10. I wanted everyone to short the stock, back down to 253 and under, all the way down to 250 if it comes. The stock actually hit 246. If you were in our room and you just waited for the 250 bottom curl, the stock is sitting at 258 right now. You would have made 8 solid points on that trade. And the great Roku. Roku, I figured would sell off a little bit today. I wanted any push at the open to 103 or more. I wanted the stock to dump to 98 and under, and before we'd even consider bottom curling it, and the stock ended up bottoming at around $93 a share. I'm going to make a trade. Hold on. Excuse me. Hold on. Real quick. Hold on. Time it. Time it. Oh, they filled me late. They filled me late, but I'll take it. Yeah, that was a late fill. You see how long it took them to fill me? That was ridiculous. But it's a nice trade nonetheless. There, I just got it back. Boom. Just made 35 bucks. Let's do another one. You want another one? I'll do another one for you. Watch for the pull. Here's the pull. Here's 87. Go along there. Boom. Pop it. Here's 88. Take it. I just made 72, 82, $60, 47. Bam. Got it. Have a nice day. That was easy. Want some more? I'll do it again. There's 4503, 09, 036. Boom, 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 boom. Pull, 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 pull. Pop, pop, pop. Boom. 45 level. Take it right there. Should give me a little quick pop there. There we go. There we go. There we go. Nice play there. There we go. There we go. Moving, 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 moving. There we go. There we go. Boom. Nice play there. Got it. Gorgeous. TDD's moving up. I can buy that one right now. Yeah, I could buy TDD. Yeah, that's a nice play there. Okay, that is today's webinar recap. I'm going to go ahead and continue trading in the room. Thank you very much. I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.